There. Wow, Marco has a new pet. Wait, which one is yours?
Red.
Yours the red one. How about Kuya?
Orange.
Orange one.
Papa.
How about Papa's one?
Black one.
Where's the black fish? Where's the black fish?
Maybe
Where? What happened to all the black fish?
die.
They died. Oh no, why? Because they eat too much, right? Where's the yellow big fish? Where's the fish of Mama? Where is it hiding? Can you find?
There.
Where? Where? Show me. Let's see.
There.
Where?
There.
Can you see? Oh no, he's hiding over there. Whose fish is that?
Mama fish.
Oh, that's the mama fish. How about that baby? Oh, there, he's hiding there. The mama fish hiding there. Where's the other fish? Is that your new pet? Where did you buy your new pet? Linda? Where did you buy it?
In the side.
Where? In the side? What is she doing in the side?
Ants.
That's not ants. What's that? Is that a shrimp? It's like there's a shrimp there. Where's the other yellow fish hiding? Sing, where's the other yellow fish hiding?
There.
Oh, wait, can I see? Can you see?
Over there.
Oh, over there.
Swimming.
Oh, there now. He's swimming now. Yes, and oh, they're playing.
Me and pizza.
What's that?
Me and pizza.
Oh, you want to order pizza for the fish? Okay, you order
A
pizza.
baby.
Baby, where's your baby? Where's your baby? How about all your toys here? Where's your baby? Uh-oh. Oh no! Look what happened to the yellow one there. What happened to the yellow fish? What happened? Where? Go get your baby. Why did you throw your baby? Marco's new pet and Kuya. It's so nice.
Baby.
Baby crying. Oh, where's the orange fish? The red fish hiding. Where's the other one?
There.
Can I see?
There.
How about the janitor fish? Oops. Where did it go?
There.
Where? Oh yeah.
I got my baby.
What did you do with the baby?
I don't.
Why? Why did you throw the baby? The baby's sad already. Why did you throw? Who's that in the picture? Can I see? Show it to Mama. Oh yeah, show it to Mama. Who's that? Is that Marco? Is that Marco? Oh, that's Marco. How about the other one? Who's that?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Mother.
Can I see who's that?
Mother.
It's Marco.
Mama, mother, and reindeer.
Oh, Mama, Marco, and
Reindeer.
the reindeer. Wow. How about the other picture? Where's Mama and Papa and Kuya?
There.
Who's that?
Papa. Where you go?
Who's that?
Papa. Mama.
Oh, Papa and Mama. How about Kuya and Marco? Where is Kuya and Marco?
Okay. There.
Nice, our new pet. Can I see? Who's that one? Who's that one?
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Who's that?
Marco.
Marco. Wow, got so many pictures there. How about that one? Who's that
Papa.
one?
Papa. Mama. And Christmas.
Oh, Christmas. What else? Oh, who's that? Who's that one?
Mother and Papa.
Marco and Papa. Wow. And the other one?
Mama, mother.
Mama and?